Hey y'all, it's Dalen Whitley with Hunting Home Video, and before I take y'all around on the farm today, I just want to give a quick thank you to everyone that's been watching my videos over the past week. And if you would, please give me a thumbs up if you like these videos. Today, I'm going to be setting up this 3-way gravity feeder head. The main reason I'm doing this year, we have a pretty bad hog problem. I do tend to get a lot of pig activity at my feeders. So what we're going to do is we're going to change out this old mechanical, okay? I was running with a solar panel, which worked great, okay? I didn't have to replace my battery at all last season. Good Lord. What I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this with my new 3-way gravity feeder, which is a more deer-friendly option. They'll be the only ones able to access it. Yeah, let's unbox this thing and figure out what we need to do next. Let's go ahead and cut this. Alright. Got some bolt hexes in there. Boy, it's hot. I'm about to turn that fan on. This goes on bottom. This right here goes on top right there. Places to put the hex screws in and put that together. And the feeding tubes go in there like so. What you're gonna do, this is the top piece. You gotta put these in first. Is we're gonna slide these in here. Perfect, it's just like that. Pretty self-explanatory there. Let's go ahead and set those just like that. Pretty sure this is 7/16 head, okay? I got the bolts in there. Those went right in here. And to save y'all a little bit of time, just put the hex on top, find the groove, screw it in. There is a nut in here. Don't even push it out. Just leave it how it is. Just screw them in there. Get a 3/8 wrench and just tighten it a little bit. And you can adjust how much feed goes in there, just like this. Got a little wing nut on the side. All the way down is gonna mean not much is coming out at a time. And then I'm guessing all the way up is gonna release probably a ton. Okay, to take this off, it's a snap and lock method. So it's locked in there like that. There's a little tab, and I've already kind of messed with it, so it's gonna come off. Pull it down and twist it off. Boom. Now, snap and lock. Okay, in here. There's little slots right here, and there's little slots in here. Put it in here, just, okay, and I'm gonna twist it to my right. See what happens. Locked. I'm about to load this back up into the Polaris, grab the tree stand, and hit the woods. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I'm on my green plot right now. You can see it's pretty green through here, but this is all kind of junk that's grown after the food plot. But I'm gonna place this feeder right here and figure everything else out from there. Okay, so this thing's already turned on, but this is the Tacticam Reveal 3.0, and what you do is you download the app, and there's a QR code right here. You'll take it on the app, it'll pull up your camera. You have to allow it to access your camera, and you scan this QR code and it finds your camera for you, and it's a quick and easy setup. You pay for your subscription online. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you liked it, leave us a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. And in the description below, I'm going to leave y'all the link to our last long video and our latest video, which was about grunting tactics, rattling tactics, and how you should walk to your deer stand each morning or each evening. And the link to the other one is more of a hunting video. So if y'all want to see some real action out here on Temple Farm, then you need to go watch that video. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see y'all again here on Hunting Home Video.